In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Canva Connect into your Shopify store. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end, you'll have the power of Canva's design tools integrated directly into your Shopify system, enhancing your e-commerce designs seamlessly. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Shopify dashboard. This is your central hub where all the magic happens. So, it's important to know your way around here. Your Shopify dashboard is accessible from any browser, and from there, you'll manage and monitor everything related to your store. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself if you're not already. This step is crucial, as you'll be spending a lot of time here while running your store. Now direct your gaze to the left side of your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of different options, each corresponding to different functionalities of your Shopify store. For this task, you're going to want to click on the option labeled Apps. This is your gateway to finding and integrating various functionalities that can enhance your store's performance and aesthetic. By clicking Apps, you'll open up a menu that displays all the applications you've currently installed, as well as a search feature to help you find new ones. Once the Apps section is open, look toward the top of your screen where you'll find a search bar. This is a handy tool that allows you to look for any app by name, making your life much easier. Go ahead and type Canva Connect into this search bar. Canva Connect is an app that will grant you direct access to Canva's incredible suite of design tools from within Shopify, enhancing your ability to create beautiful, compelling marketing materials and product images effortlessly. After typing Canva Connect into the search bar, you'll see the app appear in your search results. Click on the Canva Connect app from these results. This will bring you to a detailed app page that provides further information about the app, including what it does, user reviews, and more. You might want to take a quick moment here to review these details, ensuring it aligns with your needs and expectations. Once you're satisfied and ready to proceed, look for the button labeled Install. Clicking Install will begin the integration process of Canva Connect into your Shopify store. This step is generally swift, and once completed, Canva Connect will be ready for use. And there you have it. You're now all set up with Canva Connect, and from here, you can explore all the fabulous design options it offers to enhance your Shopify store's appearance and help make your brand stand out. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. With Canva Connect now installed, you're equipped with powerful tools that will help elevate your e-commerce visuals and take your store to the next level. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.